Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get voyages in Hours Ch2 easy method. Start by opening the map, picking the nearest hub, and choosing the shortest active voyage to begin immediately. Next, confirm the route and remove heavy cargo that slows progress. Finally, set a simple waypoint and use your fastest transport or mount to shave off minutes each trip, making repeat voyages much more efficient and predictable. Plan your route by plotting the straightest, safest path with minimal detours to save hours on multiple runs. Scout the map for reliable shortcuts and landmarks that let you bypass congested zones or difficult terrain. Time your departures to avoid in-game traffic spikes and exploit fixed teleport points or fast passages whenever possible to reduce total voyage time and increase the number of runs you can complete. Choose crew members with movement and navigation bonuses to speed up each leg of the voyage and reduce random slowdowns. Bring a small stock of speed consumables to use before long stretches or boss encounters to keep average speed high. Keep a balanced setup so you can maintain momentum while handling threats, which prevents delays from repairs or reroutes and lets you chain more voyages in a single session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.